Hello, I'm Amanda Baker, and I am a licensed clinical therapist and a registered yoga instructor. And this is Lucy. You can see her tail. She sometimes likes to join the videos. This morning, or whatever time it may be for you, I'd like to offer a very cleansing, calming pranayama or breath technique, alternate nostril breathing, or otherwise in Sanskrit, Nadi Shodhana. So find yourself in a comfortable seat. That may be on a block or bolster, in a chair, against a wall, and begin to tune in and arrive exactly where you are, how you are. No judgment, no label. Take gentle, effortless awareness of yourself and the room that you are in. And begin to move from a doing way of being into a being way of being, into the present. Notice how your narrative tends to be action-oriented. I'm waking up. I'm brushing my teeth. I will complete this task. From a being perspective, we speak or narrate our life through the senses. As I awaken, I notice the light from the sun. As I move into the day, I notice my breath or the temperature around me. I can smell the fresh air. I have the most wonderful cup of coffee or tea or juice. I make my way to the car and I hear my favorite song. I notice the clouds and the connectivity with my body, my lungs, my slowness and my ease. This is calm. I experience inner peace. And for alternate nostril breathing, take your right hand and bring the pointer finger and the middle finger down. You will bring your hands to the outside of your nose, so your thumb to your right nostril and your ring finger to your left nostril. And in alternate nostril breathing, we close one nostril and breathe in, close both nostrils gently to hold the breath, and then open the opposite nostril to breathe out. You may visualize the air going down, around, back up through your nose. Essentially, it is making a figure 8 or an infinity sign. So take that mudra, pointer finger down, middle finger down, and bring your nose to the right nostril and your ring finger to the outside of the left nostril. Clear your nose, take a breath in and out. This may not be the best breath technique to do if you're congested or have a cold or stuffy nose. It can clear, though first you need to make sure that you have that opening in your nostrils for your breath. And we'll begin. Exhale all the air away. Press the thumb into the right nostril and breathe up through your left nostril for 4, 3, 2, 1. Close both nostrils and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open right nostril, breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in right nostril, in, 2, 3, 4. Close right nostril, hold. 2, 3, 4. Out left. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Close, hold. 2, 3, 4. Open right. Out. 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Close, hold. 2, 3, 4. Open out. 2, 3, 4. Take a few rounds on your own. One more full round. When you get to the exhale on the left side, breathe all your air out and then release the pranayama. And come back to your natural breath. Notice the quality of your breath, your body breathing, sensing, perceiving. You may stay here in a meditative state. Use the mantra So Hum, which means I am that I am. So you breathe in So and breathe out Hum. So Hum. You may take your thumb to each fingertip, one at a time, nice and slow. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes. Notice all that's around you in your outer world and inner world to maintain this cultivated state of inner peace. I appreciate you practicing with me this morning. Feel free to give me a follow or a review, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.